Good morning, children. Today we'll be discussing about diseases caused by gene mutation. Till now, you have studied about various kinds of mutations. Today, we shall be continuing with the diseases. What happens when such kind of mutations occur in the body? Okay, so the first disease is alkaptonuria. You need to be very much specific about the spelling. Alkaptonuria is a disease in which there is the darkening of the urine upon exposure to air, and the blackening of the cartilages are also being seen. The cartilage which are present on the nose, on the ear pinna, turns to be black. Just the cause of this disease can be, it is a metabolic disorder which is caused due to lack of liver enzyme homogentisate oxidase, which breaks L-capton into harmless products. So you need to identify the diseases and you need to learn the symptoms and the causes. So alkaptonuria is a rare genetic metabolic disorder characterized by the accumulation of homogentisic acid. When the homogentisic acid is not being broken down, then obviously it will accumulate here and there in the body, and as and when it accumulates, the common place of accumulation being the cartilages, the cartilage become dark in color, like this you can see in the picture. Okay, so this is it. Another symptom which I told you was the urine turns to be dark when exposed to the air. Clear? So these two symptoms and cause you need to learn. The next disease is phenylketonuria. Okay, just here also special mention to the spelling. Phenylketonuria is characterized by mutual retardation in children. So the children suffering from this disease are called phenylpyruvic idiots. Okay, the cause of this disease is that here phenylpyruvic acid is not broken down because one enzyme which breaks it down, that is phenylalanine hydroxylase, is missing. Okay, due to this, here what happens, phenylpyruvic acid accumulates and causes mental illness. Okay, so it's an inborn error of metabolism. That metabolism occurs because of the mutation I told you, that results in the decreased metabolism of amino acid phenylalanine. Untreated phenylketonuria, PKU is the short form of phenylketonuria, so it can be asked to expand also, can lead to intellectual disability, seizures, behavioral problems and mental disorders. Okay, so you need to learn all these things. Next is sickle cell anemia. You must have heard about this disease. Here what happens, the sufferer shows symptoms like fever, headache, jaundice, breathlessness, poor growth, etc. Heterozygous individuals are the carriers. You have studied in genetics in class 10 that heterozygous, homozygous. So heterozygous individuals are the carriers of the disease, while homozygous are the diseased itself, that is the sufferer's victim. Clear? That means it is a recessive linked character. Of course, just recall, when it will be recessive linked, then only it will be expressed in the homozygous condition. Can you correlate it with Mendelian genetics? Yes. So coming on to the cause, you can see here the RBCs, the normal RBCs are round shape, but a few RBCs you can see are sickle shape. Okay, so this is the main cause. Here what happens, it is an autosomal hereditary disease. Remember, these diseases are hereditary, where the hemoglobin of the RBC turns sickle shaped, and because of this the whole RBC turns sickle shaped and they clog the arteries. So there will be clogging of the arteries, and this will cause lowered oxygen content. Of course, what is the main function of RBC? To carry oxygen, so less amount of oxygen will be transported in the body in the people who are suffering from sickle cell anemia. Clear? So these three disease, just a quick recall for these three: Alkaptonuria, that means alkapton. This deposition is also known as alkapton. Homogentisic acid is also known as alkapton. So this alkapton is deposited in the cartilages, and this causes blackening of the cartilages of the body. And also the urine becomes dark upon exposure to the air. Clear? Why this happens? Because there is accumulation of the homogentic acid, because it is not being broken down. Clear? Because why it is not being broken down? Because the enzyme is missing. Enzyme is not synthesized. And why the enzyme is not synthesized? Because of the gene mutation. The enzyme which has to be formed is not being formed because there is a slight change in the gene which causes which causes that this gene is not this protein or the enzyme is not being formed. Clear? Next is phenylketonuria. Here the major symptom is intellectual disability and seizures, behavioral problem, and some mental disorders. Here also phenylalanine is being decreased, result in the decrease in the metabolism of amino acid phenylalanine. This happens. Next was sickle cell anemia. Here the RBCs become sickle shaped, so their oxygen carrying capacity is decreased, and thus it and of course because of this shape they can clog the arteries. Okay.